Super One products. Value for money. Best ever fridge under 10,000 rupees. I bought with SBI credit card, 10% off at Rs 8735/. Purchased this fridge after a lot of research. Amazon provided the best discount with smooth delivery. Hire as a brand is value for money, great product, and this one's a lovely color. Recommended if you are looking for a fridge this size. Such a great product under 10K. Very nice product. Super happy to have the product. Great product in affordable prices. Enough for a family of 4 to 5 members. Amazing cooling and design. Good product and highly economical. I ordered this the 17th of June and get on the 19th of June. I like this fridge, looks premium and sufficient for a 4-member family. Best in class. If you are planning for a refrigerator under 10K, then go for it. Good. Got damaged piece. I had ordered this refrigerator before lockdown, but due to lockdown it has reached to me today on 19th May. I kindly request to change it as soon as possible. I received damaged product. It's not value for money. Fridge is very fragile. And only have 2 wells. And ice tray is like toy tray. One big tray is also broken. I am really not getting why company is making such a bad product and ruining their name. Somebody must have waited with so happiness and finally they get product like this. As a customer we understand online shopping is easy, but end of the day only product matter. It's ruined my day. Nice product by Hire. Best product in this price. I got the fridge within 2 days. The delivery was great and I appreciate the delivery person. He helped me to take the fridge on 2nd floor. Thanks again. Have been using this refrigerator since 1 month. Aesthetically appealing. Cooling effect ultimate. No excess ice in freezer. Sound is also within acceptable limit. Clean back. Really liking this product. Good for a single/2 members. Product is very nice, quick cooling and soundless. The delivery courier did a very unsatisfactory delivery. I received a fridge with a dent on the sides. Easy to transport anywhere, suitable for small family. Color and the inner parts are too good, just love it. Also Amazon delivered without any single scratch. Thank you Amazon. Click link in description for more reviews.